Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I included this product link in the description to find the most up-to-date pricing. Stay tuned and let's get into the video. AstroAI Digital Multimeter. AstroAI Digital Multimeter name of accurately and securely troubleshoot a vast range of automotive and household electronics equipment. Very easy in use and strong rubber making handy grip. With this you can measuring the voltage, resistance, current, and continuity. You can also use as multimeter for transistors and diode testing. For household, you can check wiring, vehicle battery, electronic circuits, fuses, general purpose batteries, etc. For electrician, quickly diagnose, repair, and assemble the circuitry, electrical wiring. A low battery indicator, buzzer, continuity, and overload protection that appear on large LED display. Very easy to operate. The data hold. Maximum display, 1999, digit range. Speed, 2 times per second low. Battery indication power, 1/9 volts 6F22 battery. Wave output, yes. Dimensions, 5.1 inches by 2.8 inches by 1.4 inches. Safety/compliances, IEC 61010 Cat.I 600 volts, Cat2 300 volts, double insulation. DC voltage, 200 mV/2000 mV/20 volts/200 volts and plus MN, 500 volts. Great tool, multifunctional. Easy to operate. Precisely measures all units. Rubber corner rounds. High-quality probes. Smart in shape. I have included this product link in the description. You can check out this link for more information and latest price. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Share this video, and don't forget to hit the like button.